Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to show and how to check the serial number of this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number. The first one requires entering the secret code, so let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Now, in this list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and as you can see, the serial number is displayed right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.